Welcome guys, subscribe to our channel and like the video. Wow, amazing. Now let's wash it. After washing, let's see what the real result is for our car. Wow. So our green colored Jeep has come out. There's still a lot to come out from the inside, so watch the video till the end. Those who haven't liked the video yet, please like it, subscribe to the channel. Now it's our turn next. Our Johnson tank, the green color tank, has arrived. Wow, amazing. It looks quite good. We will also keep this in our basket. Now we have an AK-47. It's a green AK-47. Now we will wash it and see what comes out of it. Here is our AK-47. It's being washed too. Wow. Let's wash the front side as well. And after washing, we'll see what its real original look is. Wow. Check out its original look. And now let's also see how it runs. Oh, wow. It runs quite well. This is also amazing for taking down someone. Wow, now the king has arrived, the red colored Superman. Let's wash it thoroughly as well. Here you go, Maharaj Superman. This has also been washed and is now in full heavy mode. Wow, check it out. Let's put it back in its place. Now it's our turn again. Our telescope, our microscope. Wow, amazing. Through this, you can see up to 25 kilometers ahead to see what's happening ahead. Let's put this aside too. Now, our Superman has come again. Yes, now it's in red color. Let's check its real face now. Its real result. Original indeed. What comes out from the bag? Wow, it even has a sheet draped at the bag. Is it cold here? Wow, the Fiat, this has been washed properly. Now, let's set it back in its place. Now it's time. It's Josh's turn. Time to check the bell. Wow, let's wash this one properly too. Longy. Our spoon has also arrived. Let's place it in its real Joshi spot. Now it's the tractor's turn in space. Wow, amazing. The colors have turned out quite well. Let's wash it properly too. Now its A to Z zone size color will be removed and we'll wash it thoroughly with both hands. Here it is, our new tractor. Our new 4x4 tractor has arrived. Alright, let's put this in its real place. Now it's our turn. The bye-bye look is also looking quite good on this. When we wash it, who knows what its final look will be. Check what the original look will be. Wow, it's yellow color. Wow, amazing. It has a really good look. Its tires are also quite heavy right now. Wow, with this, a person can easily be enthusiastic. They can travel. Now it's our rabbit's turn. Wow, a moving rabbit. We will also properly remove its color. We will see its real look, what its real look is, what its original look is. We will clean it properly with both hands and see what our rabbit's final look appears like. Wow, look, our rabbit has also arrived. Let's place it in its spot now. The last illness. Ahead was our Mahindra Lamborghini. Wow, it will also get a good response. Check it out. Its tires are of such a heavy type. Wow. Now, we will wash this too. We will wash it properly with both hands. We will wash it with both hands and check its color, its real face, its original. What is Jonah's color? Wow, it has turned orange. I think it's orange. What do you think? Please tell in the comments if it will be orange. Wow, the orange color is amazing. Wow, it's really nice, man. It's easy for the family. Check it out. Our A to Z Johnson is here. All the toys from Johnson are clean. Those who haven't liked the video yet, please like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Wow, check it out. Amazing. One can easily make their own painting with this. So whoever likes my video, send me a picture in my inbox with their name. I will make their picture. Wow, let's run the tank and check if it works or not. Wow, amazing. Now it's our brother's turn. Wow, a yellow bike. Its look is so good to see. One becomes a fan just like that. Wow. If we clash, then those who haven't quickly liked the video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel for videos like this ours.